Hello students, I am Nilanjana Sanyal. Welcome you all to my channel Learners Online Math Classes. Our today's topic is solving quadratic inequalities using the sign table or the sign chart method. This is the part 1, the first video session on this topic. You will be having one more video session, so I would definitely be asking you to watch both the videos to know about this method completely. And as you know, we are learning about the different popular methods of solving quadratic inequalities. We have learned about the algebraic method and the sign diagram or the number line method. We will be knowing about the graphical method as well. And I would ask you to go through all of them to know which one suits you the most. Okay, so which one you like the most, so that you can follow that method while solving quadratic inequalities. Okay, so let us start with our today's session without any further delay, and stay tuned till the end. I'll be giving you the rules and I'll be explaining the rules with the help of an example. So first of all, let us look at that example. Let us look at that question. Solve 4x squared plus 5x greater than or equal to 6. We have to solve this inequality using the sign table or the sign chart method. Now coming to the rules. The first rule says bring all the terms to one side of the inequality sign. The other side should have a 0. One side, the left hand side, is having 4x squared plus 5x and the right hand side is having a 6. So we bring the 6 to the left hand side. So it is 4x squared plus 5x minus 6 is greater than or equal to 0. Rule number 2 says that factorize the expression and get the critical values of zeros or zeros. So the critical values, in this case the equality sign is included, so we may call them the zeros, but otherwise if the equality sign is not included, strictly speaking they are not the zeros, but they are the critical values, but loosely speaking we refer to them as zeros. Okay, the factorized form of this inequality is x plus 2 times 4x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0, which gives us the zeros as x equal to negative 2 and x equal to 3 over 4. Coming to rule number 3, make a table containing 4 rows for the heading, the two factors. The two factors are these, and the product respectively. There will be the product row and 6 columns for the vertical headings and the values. You will be seeing what does this part represent very soon. And before going to the table, let me give you the final rule. Complete the table to get the final answer. Now coming to the table. This is the table. See, the vertical headings are x plus 2, 4x minus 3, the two factors, the expressions of the two linear factors, and the product. Okay, and what are the values? First of all, coming to the horizontal heading, see these two, the red colored values are the two zeros, minus 2 and 3 over 4. Okay, so we will be having two other values on each side of each of the zeros. Okay, so I'm having one value that is negative 3, which is less than negative 2, and 0 to the right of negative 2, which is more than negative 2. Okay, and also 3 over 4 is having 0 to the left because 0 is less than 3 over 4, and it is having 1 to the right, which is because 1 is more than 3 over 4. So each of the two zeros will be having one number to the left and one number to its right. The left number will be less than the 0 taken, and the right number will be having a value more than it, the respective 0. Okay, so these are the headings, the horizontal headings and the vertical headings. Now coming to the values. Now we will be substituting minus 3 for this column, this whole column. We will be substituting the value minus 3 for x. For x plus 2 expression, when we substitute minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. it is sufficient to write the sign. The value is not important. So I have written just the sign. It is a negative number. If we take this expression 4x minus 3, 4 times minus 3 is minus 12, minus 3 is minus 15, again a negative number. And product, we are multiplying these two because we are multiplying these two products to get a product which should be a positive number or equal to 0. That is our requirement. So let us see what product we get when we multiply two negative numbers. It is a positive product. Okay. Now coming to the 0, negative 2. When we take the value of x as negative 2, x plus 2 becomes equal to 0. But 4x minus 3, 4 times minus 2 is minus 8, minus 3 is minus 11. So I have written this minus sign over here. And 0 times any negative number will be giving us a 0 as the product. Next comes the value of 0, x equal to 0. 0 plus 2 is plus 2, which is a positive number. So I have written a plus. You have to write a plus over here. And then 4x minus 3, 4 times 0 is 0 minus 3. It is a negative number, so minus sign over here. Positive number times negative number will be giving us a negative number as the product. So we are having a minus sign over here in this set. Next comes 3 over 4. 4x minus 3 will be obviously 0 when x equal to when x equal to 3 over 4. And x plus 2, 3 over 4 plus 2. We are not interested in getting the value, actual value. 3 over 4 is a positive number, 2 is a positive number. When added, the sum total will be a positive number. A positive number multiplied with a 0 gives us 0 as the product. Finally, 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, a positive number, and 4 times 1 is 4 minus 3, again a positive 1, so a positive number. Positive number times positive number is a positive product. I have taken minus 3, 0, and 1 as the representative numbers in these regions, but you can take any number which will be less than negative 2. For this column, you can take any number which will be greater than negative 2 but is less than 3 over 4. And you can take any number which will be greater than 3 over 4 for this column. Okay. So this is how we fill in the cells of this particular table. And now we are interested in getting the regions which are giving us a positive product. And we know the zeros. So we are interested in this minus 3 column, this minus 2 column, this 3 over 4 column, and this 1 column. Minus 3 is not just a particular number, minus 3. It represents all values of x less than minus 2. And this 1 is representing all values which are more than 3 over 4. Okay, and of course the minus 2 and 3 over 4, these two values are also included because of this equality sign. Okay, so therefore our final answer will be x is either less than or equal to negative 2, equal to because we have to take negative 2 because of this equality sign. This is the 0, and all numbers which are lying to the left of negative 2. So x is less than or equal to negative 2, or x is greater than or equal to because of this 0 value, and greater than because 1 is representing all values of x which are greater than 3 over 4. So the final answer is x is less than or equal to negative 2 or x is greater than or equal to 3 over 4. These two are two discontinuous intervals. So you can write it in this way, or you can write using the union sign, and I have explained how to write these discontinuous intervals using the union notation in my video on reading inequalities from a number line. I would definitely be asking you to watch that video in order to know how to represent this discontinuous interval in terms of the brackets and the union notation. Okay, So students, this brings us to the end of this session. Please like, share and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching this video till the end. We meet again very soon. Till then, bye.